101boxbreaks.com doing some Tier 1. Come on. Tier 1 baseball. Searching for them bat knobs, huh, guys? If you get one, I'll grade it for you, if they'll grade it. Some of those are so thick, I don't even know if they would. We got the Astros, Marlins, and Giants here, guys. Brandon G, Chris VA, and Ben E bought a spot. We're going to take these three here. We're going to copy them on up. I'm going to open a random.org. We're going to paste these guys on in and randomize it 3 times. We're going to match it up to that teams list there. Come on. Here's number 1. Boom, 3 items on your list, time stamped up. Here's number 2. And the final order coming your way. Here we go, guys. Good luck to ya. Boom. There it is. We're going to take Ben E, Brandon G, Chris V, copy them on up, open my sheet back up, paste you guys on in. Every time. Here, you get to get rid of. Oh, lovely. Trying to do things with one hand. Sorry, guys. It's my first time. There we go. There we go. Okay, so Ben E got the Astros, the Marlins, Brandon G, the Giants, Chris VA. All right, guys. We're giving away a box of 2014 Topps Supreme Baseball. There's 2 hits. We're going to give it to 2 different people, guys. Let me just plug these names in and print out this sheet, and we'll get crack-a-lacking on this stuff. I really do appreciate it, everybody. The big birthday tomorrow. Yes, I will break. Do I have giveaways planned? Uh-huh. Craziness left and right, ladies and gentlemen. It's good stuff. Fun times. Fun times, good stuff. It's 101boxbreaks.com. All right, Topps Tier 1 Baseball. Case Break 2, 5/23, 2015, 6:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to show you guys the sheet one more time here. We're going to get crack-a-lackin' all up in this Tier 1 case. Then, all the hitless teams after the break, guys, are going to have a chance at one of the 2 hits from that Topps Supreme box right there. Here's the sheet. Here's your teams one more time. Tier 1 case break number 2, 5/23/2015. Here's your teams, guys. Curtis L, Peter B, Brandon G, Drew H. Welcome to the site. Ben, Peter B, Brandon C, Alan P, Chris V.A., Mike D, Benny, Joey B, Chris, Jonathan S, Brandon, Chris, Thomas M, Alan P, Alan T, Chris V.A., Peter D, Chris V, Brandon C, Jonathan S, and Chris V.A. closing us out. Whew. I'm going to be keeping track of the hitless teams, guys. Also, too, let me make a quick note here of those teams. Thanks for sending your money so promptly, too, guys. All right. You guys ready? Let's do this. Nice Tier 1 case right here. All sealed up. It's from our boys at Blowout Cards, guys. Chris, Danny, and Fish over there at Blowout Cards. Break with Heavy D, but buy your boxes from Blowout Cards. Got the best deals. They got the free shipping, and people go, oh, but you have to spend a certain amount. But yeah, if you're buying a couple boxes, you're spending that amount anyway. They got the free shipping, supplies, all that stuff. And they're always hooking us up with the nasty in these cases. Can't complain. We're minus a box. There it is. All right, guys. 12 boxes of nasty coming your way. We're starting on the left. Tier 1 baseball. Box 1. Good luck to you. Busby looking for that Bojack. He wants it. All right. 12,900 on the box. Shoots, he scores. Good luck to you guys. Here we go. First card's gonna be Anthony Ronaldo. 283 out of 399. That'll be going to Boston. And the Red Sox, that newbie, Drew H., getting on the board first. There you go. Little newbie love on box one. Let me get my pin over here in position. Red Sox down. Newbie getting the first hit. And then we got Brandon Moss. 59 out of 399, Brandon Moss. It's going to be going to Oakland in the Athletics, Alan T. There you go, Alan T.H. in the Athletics. The Athletics come down off the board right after this. Buster Posey, 20 out of 299. Buster Posey, single color patch. Going to San Fran, Chris V.A. hitting on the random team. It's always those last teams to sell, huh, guys? All right, and that's box number one. We got 3 teams off the board for the bad break chance over there. Here's box number 2, Tier 1 baseball. Let's see if we can get a little nasty streak going. That's what I'm looking for. A little, like, 6-box run of nastiness is what we need right now. All right. First card's going to be Cole Calhoun. 21 out of 349, Cole Calhoun. It's going to be going to the Angels. Chris V.A. doing some work out the gate. And then Livan Hernandez. 204 out of 399, Livan Hernandez, and that'll be going to the Nationals. Vizance, get out of here! Boom! Nice. All right, in there, Garrett Cole, 340 out of 399. Garrett Cole, single color patch. That's going to be going to Pittsburgh. The Pirates, Peter D. All right, so box 2, we got Washington, Blitzburg, and the Angels off the board, eating them teams away for the bad break bonus. Obviously, if you're the only team left, it goes to you, right? Box number 3, guys, 2015 Tier 1 baseball. Got Heavy D coming at you. It's the Boom Factory. 101boxbreaks.com. Looking for some Bojack. 13,300, little change up in the number. Don't know what that means. Let's find out. All right. First one's not too bad. Alex Cobb. 224 out of 299 on card, new guard auto. That's going to be going to Tampa on the Rays. Chris V.A. with the Rays. Nice Alex Cobb there. And then a little Cincinnati love. Eric Davis. 255 out of 399. Eric Davis auto. Going to Cincinnati, Brandon C. and the Reds. And the patch card's going to be Chase Utley, 22 out of 50. Little pinstripe patches there. That's going to be going to Philadelphia. The Phillies, Chris V.A. There you go, Vizance. All right, so we got 3 teams down right there as well. The Phillies, Cincinnati, and Tampa. So 3 boxes in, 9 teams down in the bad break bonus, guys. Good luck to everybody on that as well. We're on box 4 here, Tier 1 baseball. Coming your way. From Heavy D. Go hitless in tonight's break. Got a chance at that Top Supreme over there. There's 2 hits in there. That's 2 bad break bonuses. 13,300. We're on the different numbering system now. What's up, guys, over on Breakers? How's it going? What's going down? We got an extra hit in this one. Come on. Here's a little sell something. Damn, Javi. Little Javi Baez. 28 out of 299. Javier Baez. It's going to Chicago. Them Cubbies. Ben E.I. Eisenstadt. Not bad. Not bad at all. And then we got Evan Longoria. 31 out of 50, Evan Longoria. That's going to be going to Tampa. The Rays, Chris B.A. We got a couple patch cards here. Another Evan Longoria. 121 out of 399. Right back to Tampa. Little hashtag back-to-back. And then the Rocket, Roger Clemens. Dual single card patch. It's not Bloody Sock, but it's an eBay 101. 1 out of 50. Going to the Bo Sox. Drew H., the newbie, getting some love from 101boxbreaks.com. Okay, so in that one, only the Cubs coming down off the board. Is it because I said something? But Ben E., nice hit there. We love a little Javi Baez around here when we're doing baseball breaks. Box number 5. Come on. Tier 1 baseball. Searching for a knob. Still no bat knob. They're pretty rare, guys, but it would be very nice, wouldn't it? Ooh, back on them 12,900s, right? Thanks for tuning in, guys. The Boom Factory, 101boxbreaks.com. Heavy D. Trying to make it rain for you. Check it out. Jared Kozar. 370 out of 399. Another random team, the Marlins. Brandon G. Hitting. Big double runs. Come on. Oof, we can go to plastic for that one. Let's go to plastic for that one. Let me get Miami off the board. Wade Boggs, 5 out of 10, Silver Ink Auto. Boston Drew H. Newbie Love. Boom. Nasty. Very nasty. Well, that definitely highlighted the front half of the case, and then we got a little Tim Raines, 234 out of 299. That'll be going to the Expos. I believe it's the Nationals. I believe. Little bad piece there. Help me out, guys. All right. So those teams all off the board already. Pending verification on Montreal. Yeah. Thank you, 8-Man. Just needed to hear it from somebody else, you know what I mean? But Boston, Washington, and Miami off the board. All right, so we're getting to the halfway point here. Here's box number 6, guys. Tier 1 baseball. Stuff's nice. Stuff is nice. All right. First card's going to be Kyle Seager. 130 out of 225, Kyle Seager. That's going to be going to Seattle. The Mariners, Chris V.A. Nice Kyle Seager there. And then, and I'm glad that this isn't the first one, Andres Galarraga. It's the second one in 2 cases, guys, but this is nasty. 110 out of 399. That'll be going to Washington as well. That Montreal spot. And then we've got Jose Abreu. 101 out of 199. I don't like the bottom of that foil there. It's a little A little single color pinstripe there, and that's going to be going to Chicago. Peter B. and the White Sox. And this is pretty cool. Willie Stargell. 78 out of 99. Game used bat. Nice legend insert. It's not, I guess it's not from any specific. It's game used memorabilia though. Nice little bat swatch right there from a legend. All right, let me take these teams off the board. Chicago, the White Sox down. Seattle off the board. And Blitzburg, Peter D. already down. All right. The Galarraga, Washington already off the board, guys. Okay, we got another half case to go here. Tier 1 baseball. Then we got the Supreme Bad Break bonus. Top 2 hitless teams after randomization are going to get a card out of that Supreme. There happens to be an extra card. The top 3 are going to get one, all right? If you're on the chat, you can choose in that order. Here we go, guys. Good luck to you. Let's get some nastiness out of here, huh? Well, I like how they're starting us. Kevin Gausman, 9 out of 25. New Guard Gold Ink Auto. Oh, it's going to be going to Baltimore, Brandon G. There you go. Little mini boom for you right there. Big double ones on the chat. And then Paul Goldschmidt, 125 out of 149. Schmitty on card auto. That's going to the D-backs. Curtis and we the people on the chat. Get you on the board. I bet he just came back with that White Russian. All right, so there's 2 teams that went hitless. And hey, the final team out of the random that hadn't had a hit yet, Craig Biggio. 128 out of 199. See one of them killer beasts telling you. Going to Houston, Ben E.I. All right, so that was a nice pack there. 3 hitless teams coming off the board. Curtis is down. Baltimore, Houston, we have a problem. All right, so far we've got 5 boxes left, at least 15 more hits, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hitless teams. So more than half the teams have a hit so far. Got to admit, this case is a lot more spread out than the last one was. We still got 5 boxes left, though. Let's see what we can get cracking here, guys. Doing some Tier 1. Giving away some Supreme Autos after the break. 13,300 on the box. All right. Ooh, something thick in there. Something thick in there. Let's start at the bottom. This is cool. Elvis Andrus. 115 out of 399. I don't even know what that is in there. That's going to be going to Texas. Jonathan S. with Texas Rangers. Old, like, throwback uni or something. All right. Up next, we've got Tyson Ross. 192 out of 225. Tyson Ross. That's going to be going to San Diego and the Padres. Chris V.A. I'm gonna get a case for this. I don't even know what it's numbered to, but it's got to be in a case. All right. Oh yeah. Oh my. Are you guys ready? Look at this. Andre Dawson! 1 out of 5, keeping the eBay 101 streak going. Going to the Cubbies. Ben E.I. Look at that! Oh. Prodigious patches. Autograph card. Wow. Nice. What a hit. Padres, Texas. Off the board. Chicago was already down. Nice. Yeah, that was definitely the case hit right there. We've got 4 boxes left, guys. Let's see if we can just finish nasty. Eisenstat, what up, brother? 13,300. One of those cool extra hit packs. First card's gonna be Jonathan Schoop. 128 out of 299, Jonathan Schoop. That's going to be going to Baltimore and them Orioles. Brandon G. Big double ones on the chat. And then David Freese. 21 out of 25 gold on card auto. That's going to be going to the Angels. The Angels, Chris V.A. Them and Baltimore already down. And then Eno Slaughter. 76 out of 99. Game-used back piece. It's going to be going to the Cardinals in St. Louis. Brandon C. And they will have to come off the board right after this team. Tony Gwynn, 45 out of 199. Tony Gwynn. It's going to be going to San Diego and the Padres. Chris V.A. It's like a little preemptive warning. All right, and that'll be going to the Padres. The Padres already off the board, so we got to take St. Louis down. The Cardinals with that slaughter bat piece there. We got 3 boxes left. Let's see if we can pull that Mariano for Ape Man. Or that Jeter, that Tier 1 Jeter auto. It would be nice. 13,300. Brett Oberholzer, 25 out of 25, Newgard Gold Ink Auto. That's going to be going to Houston. Come on, Ben E. The $30 random spot, huh? All right, and then this. Boom! Clear one auto, Jim Rice. This should be going to Boston and Drew H. Good thing it wasn't a card that got damaged, huh? Clear one autograph, Jim Rice. Wow. Newbie love, Drew. Newbie love. I don't know if you're watching, bud, but you're doing great tonight. All right, and then we got Billy Hamilton, 295 out of 399. Now we go to Cincinnati and then Reds, Brandon C. All right, guys, we got 2 boxes left before the Supreme giveaway. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hitless teams. 2 boxes left. That Andre Dawson is staring at me. Wow. Awesome looking card. Congratulations, Ben E. Huge pickup tonight with that one. All right, first card's gonna be Josh Harrison, 295 out of 299. Newgard auto, Josh Harrison. That's gonna be going to Plattsburgh. Peter D in the Pirates. And then the Eck, David Eckstein, 51 out of 399. David Eckstein. That's going to be going to St. Louis and the Cardinals, Brandon C. And the last hit, Tim Lincecum, 105 out of 399. Let's go to San Fran and the Giants, Chris VA. All right. So box number 11. All teams are already off the board. We got 1 box of Tier 1 left. Before we do the Supreme giveaway, guys, here we go. Box number 12, Tier 1 case break number 2. 13,300 on the box. Last chance at some boom. We pulled some pretty nice hits tonight. The Boggs and the Dawson, definitely the highlights. All right, first card's going to be Taijuan Walker, 83 out of 99. Taijuan Walker. Let's go to Seattle. Chris VA in the Mariners. We're going to get one of them on the board, brother. Omar Vizquel and the Indians, 86 out of 299. Omar Vizquel. That's going to Cleveland, Alan P. and the Indians. And then we got Bryce Harper, 32 out of 199, single color patch. Bryce Harper for Washington and Chris V.A. All right, guys. Cleveland down. Seattle already was, so was Washington. So we got the Braves, Rockies, Tigers, Royals, Dodgers, Brewers, Twins, Mets, Yankees, and Blue Jays that win hitless. We're going to go ahead and do a randomization here. See who's going to get in on it. Got to give me just 1 second to cue it up, guys. Boom. Little boom for you there, 8-Man. Hey, man, we got you on the board. We got you on the board there. Sorry I couldn't deliver on the Mariano, though. All right, so we got the Braves. We've got the Rockies, the Tigers, the Royals hitless, the Dodgers. No love, no Jacques this time, huh? Pulled a Jacques last time. Brewers, Twins, Mets, Yankees. All right, who else we got? Then the Blue Jays. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teams who went hitless. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teams on there. Gonna do a randomization, guys. Yeah, no problem. Thanks, man. Do a randomization with the last hitless teams. If you had the Braves, Rockies, Tigers, Royals, Dodgers, Brewers, Twins, Mets, Yankees, Blue Jays, you win hitless in my Tier 1 break tonight. We're going to random all these teams up. The top 2 at least are going to get a hit. There might be a third card. Okay, guys? I'll give the best one to whoever's on the top after 3 randomizations. Here we go. Good luck to ya. Boom. There we go. There's number 1. 10 items on our list. Time stamped up. All that fun stuff. Here's number 2. There's number 2. We got one more randomization to do here, guys, and that'll be the final order. Good luck to you. There it is. The Dodgers and the Mets. The Dodgers and the Mets. So we got the Dodgers, Trout Slayer, Jonathan S. Are you on the chat? And the Mets, Thomas MC. Yankees have a possible chance. If there's 3 hits in the box, the Yankees will get that 3rd hit. Here we go, guys. Box of Topps Supreme. 2 autographed cards per box. That's bare minimum. Just a little bad break bonus. I do want to fill tomorrow. It's my birthday. There's 5-star football up, guys. Let's fill it up. I will do a giveaway. Big man, getting older. Empty box. All right. Just 2. First one's going to be C.J. Cron. 3 out of 50, C.J. Cron. There's nothing numbered above 50 in this product. That's what I like about it. Little C.J. Cron right there. And then up next is going to be Rafael Montero, 4 out of 50. Pitcher for the Mets. So go ahead, Trout. You can pick what you want. Whatever you don't take is going to go to Thomas MC. Between the Cron and the Montero. You got the Cron and the Montero, basically. You get to pick your choice of right there. They're both numbered to 50. Tie ball game in that hockey game, guys. All right. Picks on you, Trout. Got the Cron and the Montero. The Cron it is. All right, the Cron's going to Trout. The Montero is going to Thomas MC. Take a couple notes here. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and save this video, and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for hanging in there. Thank you to everybody for helping fill this bad boy today. 101boxbreaks.com.